So many aviation videos feature blue skies, warm weather, green oceans, comfortable wind rustling through the trees. Well, instead this video is going to go through the reality of learning how to fly in the dead of winter in Canada. It's negative 20 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to show you the tools I've developed through simcheck.com that help me to increase my proficiency as a pilot.
Compacted snow. Inform ATC that you have information Foxtrot.
Everything that happens in a cockpit during a flight happens so quick in the moment, but this is preceded by so much free time. So what I felt was needed was a cheat sheet style paper in which it allows you to fill in all the most important crucial information that you might need on the flight. Then when you're in the flight, you can actually refer to this info quickly, efficiently, and all in one location. And I feel this gives you the confidence to make the right decisions.
Okay, there's my 70. Flaps are 20. Mixture full. Landing light is on. 70, there's my 70, yeah, perfect. So I'm going to touch down between the second and third, and we're taking off the fourth. Okay.
The very long runways, you can touch down all the way in the middle if you want.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do, exactly. Speed got slow there, so I went a little faster.
Good.
Okay, now I'm going to do my descent now. And now, I guess.
Good. Now, after my flight, I find it very important to review the footage on an action cam. I actually spend a lot of time finding the right solution to film my flights. For the best review of a flight, you need to see what you saw at that moment, so it needed to be connected to my head. However, if it was on my forehead like most cameras are, the video would not give the same perspective, and in flying it's all about their perspective. So I attached a Sony action cam to the left of my headset using Velcro and matched the camera lens to my eye level. I also simply ran a wired microphone from the headset itself to the camera, and this gave the easiest way to record the actual full ATC audio.
Romeo Uniform Charlie, plan to exit at the end via Kilo. Traffic on the runway will be doing the same. Winds 3009, clear to land or meet to forward.
Clear to land 24 right, we'll aim for the end of it for Romeo Uniform Charlie.
The next step is where you painfully grow as a pilot. You must review the footage and watch yourself and take note of all of the imperfections during the flight. Things you prepared and were prepared for before the flight become more difficult in the moment. But by facing this and practicing again and again in the simulator, those same scenarios is how you become a proficient pilot.
Romeo Uniform Charlie.
Foxtrot Romeo Uniform Charlie, line up runway 2 for right and wait. We're crossing traffic at Romeo.
Line up and wait for Romeo Uniform Charlie. I didn't have to respond that there was crossing traffic though, right?
No, that's fine.
Aviation is a beautiful state of mind, so extremely technical, and it requires years of practice for even the shortest of flights. But the actual flying requires such a calm demeanor with very smooth, relaxed adjustments. And even though you have full control over this airplane, you are powerless to the weather, and you have to give it utter respect. But as soon as the wheels leave the runway, you're forced to be within the moment. It's almost a meditative mindset that helps you stay on top of all the tasks, and that's what gets you to your destination safely. Now, thanks for flying with us today. Let's fly again soon.